Good morning, this is Andrew the Blacksmith, coming to you from downtown Bangkok. And today I'm reviewing becoming an expert on copywriting. Okay, where were we? We had a bit of an interruption there, but this is the sales page of becoming an expert at copywriting. And it's something, there's more to it than meets the eye. Scrolling down, you can message us. Look, click there. Okay, so you can give it a smiley face. There you go. Set that smiley face there. Then we get a notification over here. So it's the old story of the knee bones connected to the thigh bone. Okay, this is priced at $17, and along with that you get my bonus bundle. Now this is probably not all that relevant, but you might find it interesting. But you do get all these bonuses. Okay, look at that. Affiliate link defender, buyers list arbitrage, Facebook CPA, and click there, takes you back to the sales page. Okay, so we've made the purchase, so we click here to download, and click here to download, and you can watch it on your computer. Read it, whatever you want to call it. Okay. And then if you're on the Mac, you can bring it out a little bit. Some really powerful things in here. I've been going through it myself. Now here, he says, being clever is not all that cool. He goes through a number of good scenarios, explain how to effect a challenge or a command. See there, put a tiger in your tank, create an offer, declare huge news. So copywriting is an art, and it's absolutely necessary if you're going to work online. 48 pages packed full of great information. So just close that off. Quit. And as I say, buy through my link and you get the awesome bonuses. Okay, this is Andrew the Blacksmith signing off with a rickapooty and a bandoogle.